welcome to another segment of Snap Judgment where things can be snapped in or snapped out. Global warming has become a reality, and with that information, technology companies have started using non-conventional energy sources for their products. For example, Solar D300. This basically is a solar lamp and also a portable charger for your smartphone. There are three parts to it. First is this lamp. Then you have the solar panel, which has the wire. All you have to do is connect this to your earlier part like this. Now I can use this as a solar lamp and I can use it as a solar charger. I'm going to take this USB cord, place it here, plug this in, take my phone and simply charge. So say when you want to charge your phone on a workstation or you want to charge it at home, this is what you need. Just be careful that it's fully charged. It's not exactly portable, you can't take it everywhere, but wherever you're steady and you know that you're going to be there for a while, just put this in and it'll be fine. The lamp is not going to light up your house, but yes, it acts like a bed light whenever you want. Imagine it like a torch. So the thing that you need to be careful about is that you have to put this out in the sun. It doesn't work the night, obviously, it's a solar charger. The concept is really nice, even though it's slightly bulky than our normal portable chargers. I'd say completely buy for 1700 rupees. When it comes to our smartphones, they consistently have space issues. Very commitment phobic of them, I understand. So whether you have a 16 GB phone, 64 GB phone or a 128 GB phone, you are always running out of space. So what do you do in that position? If you have an iPhone, I have a perfect gadget for you. This is Leaf iBridge Memory. What it does is that it expands your memory. Imagine a pen drive attached to a phone, that's exactly what it does. Take it out, plug it in, download the app that comes with it, and all your content from media files to music to everything will be stored on this drive. The thing with this is that it has a flexible design and it goes with your iPad, your iPod or your iPhone. So once you take this out of the cover, you will see that there is a normal USB port and a micro USB port. Just plug this end to your phone and this when you want to transfer files. The good thing is that you can play content directly from this, so you can play your videos or music directly from the device. Because it's an iOS device, it has the carte blanche to be expensive, right? So this is priced at 5,000 rupees. I understand it's a little bit more, but it's an iOS, what to say.